We started the company in January 2013 on the back of what we've been hearing from our customers for years. We just want our audiovisual and ICT systems to work. We want them to be easy for our people to use, and we want them to be highly reliable. And that is exactly what myself and the team here at Konnectus are committed to delivering every single day.
Being Konnectus, I get to immerse myself in things that I love, such as working with technology, and a personal favourite of mine, problem solving.
I spend a lot of time with our clients to hear their concerns, learn about their expectations, and make sure what we're delivering is aligned with those expectations.
Consultancies that really try to specialize on technology, whereas we really try to specialize on how can the technology help the people that we need to design for.
I spend a lot of time actually researching new technology trends and evaluating them. A big part of that analysis is looking at how they can actually be applied to everyday use cases. So my role is not only just research, but also to make sure that we're delivering engineering designs for our clients that meet needs today, but also take into consideration those future trends in the workplace.